Hey everybody, sorry about the noise. I can't even get over there to shut my fan off right now. Plus I'm still doing this. This is going to be part 2 and part 3 of the 3D cutting board. You cut, once yesterday I went over, once you've got your blanks done, which will actually be like this. You set your blade at 30 degrees or 60 depending on your saw. Now, the thickness of the cherry or walnut will determine how thick you need to cut it this way. So I'm using 3/4 inch, so I've got to be 3/4 inch this way because I've already 3/4 inch this way. So I've still got to plane this down. I cut it a little too thick. So that's actually part 2. Cut all of them down to, I would go rough estimate if you've got a planer and a saw that's not that great. I would just do rough estimate, say about almost an inch, a little over 3/4, and run it through the planer to get down to your 3/4 of an inch. So that's step 2. Once you get past step 2, get all of them cut down. Remember, your wood is going to be diagonal. Yeah, I should have probably sawed the end of that off. I don't know if you can see it that well. But you're going to be basically, I know there's a name for it, that sideways square. Somebody drop it in the comments what it's called. I don't know. But the white is actually going to be the little highlights when it's all said and done. But you need, that's 3/4 of an inch. You need to make sure that is 3/4 of an inch right there, and that's 3/4 of an inch. And that way when you glue it up, you can see it's a lot easier gluing up than if you're going on the sides. Now, like I said, you will waste a lot of wood. These two pieces right here come off one strip. So when you get, if you got that many strips, you're going to have a lot of wood, plus the first piece of wood you cut that you didn't use, and the second piece. Now, like I said, on these boards there's a lot of waste. They turn out nice, but they're a lot of waste. So if you have any questions, like I said, the thickness of your middle piece. Now, if you do a middle piece that's an inch, you want them an inch wide. Either way, whatever the thickness is, well, that's the way it was right here. Okay, whatever that thickness is the thickness, you want it that way as well. So like I said, I'm doing 3/4 of an inch. It's got to be 3/4 of an inch that way, 3/4 of an inch that way, if that makes sense. And then once you glue it up, I'll show you the glue up, I think, probably in another video. But this will demonstrate what you got to do the cherry. This will demonstrate the way it's got to look once glued up. But it'll be cherry, walnut, cherry, walnut, cherry, walnut, etc., etc., etc. So, but I'll show that in another video. It's a quick one. Sorry about the finger getting in the way. Sorry about the noise. I'm just trying to get this done so I can get it glued up for this evening and let dry overnight. Anyway, leave a comment, let me know. Talk to you later. Bye.